Laredo College will be hosting the Health Sciences Summer Camp once again, and here to tell us a little bit more about it is Lily Flores. Hi, Lily. How are you?
Hi, thank you for having me.
So let's start with, when does this camp start?
The camp will be from June 8th to June 11th from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay, so there's still some time for people to register.
Yes.
What do we need to know about this camp? How much does the camp cost? Who can register, and so forth?
The camp is for incoming 8 to 10 graders. The camp will be $50. The space is limited. It is up for 60 students.
Okay, so in other words, if you're going to register, register now, because we have to cap it at 60. What will the students be learning while they're here?
They will be learning this year's theme will be movement. So we will have hands-on activities and interactive learning.
And it's here at the South Campus, so they'll be able to use the equipment that when you say it's hands-on, they'll be able to use the equipment that our students use here in allied health and in nursing. So that's where the hands-on comes in, correct?
Yes.
Who will be leading the classes?
The classes will be leading by the faculty and the team, the professors.
Okay, so these are the professors that are here at the South Campus in the health sciences, and so they'll be learning from them. They'll also be learning about the different fields that we have here at Laredo College, correct?
Correct.
All right. How do they register for the camp, Lily?
We have two ways. You can either go to our Facebook or Instagram and look up for Laredo College Health Science Camp, and you should be able to see the flyer right there. And you can scan the QR code, or you could go to our website at www.laredo.edu, and for quick access, you could go to the search bar and look up for Health Science Summer Camp.
It should pop up.
Yeah.
It's if they remember, it's go.laredo.edu/HSCamp 2026. But like you said, if they just put in health sciences, it'll more likely pop up, or the flyer, as you mentioned, is on social media. Anything else that you want to mention about the Health Sciences Summer Camp?
We would like to invite the community to bring their kids for like I said, incoming 8 to 10 graders. We will have different activities. We will be having like Tai Chi, dancing, volleyball, and many more activities for the kids to be active.
Sounds good. It really is a good opportunity for students to learn more about health sciences, to learn more about the programs that we have here at Laredo College. And it's a week during the summer that they get to spend having some time learning and having fun, right?
Yeah.
All right. Lily, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.